All right, we are live on the YouTube channel, resuming the docket, and the court is calling case number U-558-98420. Brian Keith Wallace. The charge is entering a vacant dwelling without the owner's written permission. Also 204-815-041, no operator's license on person. Mr. Wallace also has ticket number 173403271, not on today's docket, but in warrant status. And that matter is for no insurance, as well as 194647661, not on the docket, but also in warrant status. And the charge is no operator's license on person. If Mr. Brian Wallace is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record, sir.
Brian Keith Wallace.
Thank you. And who's representing Mr. Wallace?
Elwood S. Berry Jr., Your Honor.
Mr. Berry, how do you wish to proceed?
Your Honor, there is an offer that Mr. Wallace would avail himself to wit the U ticket, the entry without permission ticket. The offer is to allow him to enter a plea to disorderly conduct. And with regard to the no insurance ticket, to allow him to enter a plea to improper plate. The rest of the matters in anticipation will be to be dismissed.
All right, sir. The court is going to recall all outstanding warrants. And then, Mr. Wallace, you have heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with that representation?
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Mr. Wallace, were you advised of your right to a trial?
Yes, yes, I was.
Mr. Wallace, if you were to have a trial, normally it would take place inside the 36th District Court. But because of the pandemic, the courthouse has been closed to the public. And so you have agreed to participate on the Zoom technology, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Wallace, did you have an opportunity to discuss all of your rights with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, do you understand that by pleading guilty, you will be waiving or giving up your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Wallace, please raise your right hand, sir, and be sworn. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes.
Please lower your hand, sir. Mr. Wallace, on the date, the time, and the location indicated in the ticket ending in 98420, were you in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And sir, were you approached by a police officer and advised that you had entered a vacant dwelling without the owner's written permission?
Yes, I was.
Mr. Berry, are you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And Mr. Wallace, on the date, the time, the location indicated in the ticket ending in 03271, were you driving a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
Were you stopped by a police officer who asked for valid insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, did you have valid insurance?
No, I didn't, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Berry, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court will accept the guilty plea in each matter being satisfied with the factual basis. In the U ticket ending in 98420, the court will accept the recommendation to amend that charge to disorderly conduct. In the ticket ending in 03271, no insurance, the court will accept the recommendation to amend that charge to improper plates. The other matters will be dismissed according to the recommendation. Now, Madam Clerk, what is the total fines and costs for Mr. Wallace?
Okay, one moment here. Okay, Your Honor, Mr. Wallace owed a total of $525 for both the tickets that he pled guilty to. The first ticket, strike that, U55898420. That fine is $240, and there's no reinstatement fee with that ticket. And the other ticket that he pled guilty to, Your Honor, 173403271. That fine is a $45 reinstatement fee, and it's also a $50 warrant cost fee that's on this ticket, which comes up to $95. So once again, his total is $525.
Okay, so the fine on that second ticket is how much?
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor, the fine is $240.
Okay, so $240 for each ticket is the fine, and then he has warrant fee and reinstatement fee. Total of $525. Mr. Wallace, do you need more than 30 days to pay?
Yes, ma'am.
How much time, sir?
Can I get 2 months?
Okay, sir, 60 days. We will give you 60 days. And Madam Clerk, what would that date be?
Okay, let's see, June, July, August.
60 days from today.
August. Okay, it would have to be August 9th because August 8th falls on a Sunday, Your Honor, so August 9th, 2021.
August 9th, sir, 2021. Thank you, Madam Clerk. Any
You're welcome.
questions, Mr. Wallace? You know, you can pay that online
Okay.
at 36districtcourt.org. I'm going to leave the live stream now. Online at